Okay, fine. We'll start with J2EE only. Don't need to worry. Yeah, we'll start with J2EE. Don't worry, guys. Yeah. So let's start the Cinema now. So Cinema name is J2EE, right? Yes. Fine. Let's start the Cinema. That is your J2EE. So guys, anyone like what is J2EE? Have you heard J2EE? What is the use of J2EE? Anyone? Any idea? Rough idea at least. At least the full form of J2EE. Okay, good, guys. That's correct. That's correct. You guys are correct. No doubt at all. So, guys, till now we have learned what? Till now we have learned your core Java. Yes, till now you learned core Java. Yes. So, guys, what is another name of core Java? Any guess? Yes, what is another name of core Java? Or in JS spiders, we will say core Java, advanced Java. But once you will go to industry, yes, once you will go to industry, guys, you will not use term as core Java or advanced Java. Yes, so core Java is known as a J2SE. Core Java is known as J2SE. Now, again, once we'll go to industry, we will not say advanced Java. This is just for you people, like to understand in case core Java, advanced Java. So next comes here you will use what? Advanced Java. And you can say it is nothing but J2EE. You can say, guys, something as J2EE. So basically, guys, now what is the full form of J2SE? What is the full form of J2SE, guys? Very good. So Java 2 Standard Edition. Yes. So J2EE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. Now, what about J2EE? So it stands for Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Stands for Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Yes. So what is 2 here, guys? What is 2 here? Yes, guys. What is 2 here? So 2 is nothing but you can say version. 2 is nothing but, guys, it is version. Yes. So currently, guys, you can say Java is broadly categorized in 2 different perspectives. Java is broadly classified into 2 different perspectives. So first is your J2. First is your J2SE. First is your J2SE. And second is your J2EE. So yes, your Java is broadly classified into 2 different perspectives. First is J2SE, that is your core Java, you can say. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. And coming about J2EE stands for Java 2 Enterprise Edition. And here 2 refers to version. Now, okay, we'll discuss that J2EE, don't worry. Arvind, Hari will discuss that. Yeah. So basically your J2ME you can say it is a framework. Yeah, J2ME is nothing but is a framework kind of thing. The framework of Java, you will say Springs and Hibernate. So industry, you will say J2ME. Don't worry, we'll see that. Yeah. So guys, with the help of now in core Java, what and all concept you are going to learn, guys? In core Java, what and all you will learn? Yes. So in core Java, you are going to learn all the OOPS principle. Yes. You will learn libraries. So basically, you are going to learn, guys, OOPS principle and libraries. Inside library, you will have string class, object class, exception, file handling, threads, collection. So basically, in case of your core Java, that is, I should say J2SC, you are going to learn OOPS principle and libraries. Now coming about J2EE, guys, here you are going to learn three major things. Here you are going to learn three major things. So first thing you can say JDBC. JDBC. Next comes your servlet. JDBC servlet. And next comes your JSP. Yes. So basically in J2EE we should learn JDBC, servlet, and JSP. So guys, coming about servlet, it is the outdated technology now. Coming about servlet, guys, it is nothing but outdated. Nowadays in industry, we are not using servlet at all. Nowadays, guys, in the industry, we are not using servlet at all. But you should have at least basic knowledge of servlet so that you can write, you can design a small program using J2EE. Or if you want to learn framework of Java, or if you want to learn, guys, framework of Java, this servlet and JSP is very important. The servlet and JSP is very important. So coming about your J2EE, it has three parts, that is JDBC, servlet, and JSP. So JDBC 100% at any cost, guys, you have to learn. No doubt at all. If you want to become a Java developer at any cost, you have to learn JDBC in depth. Yeah. And coming about servlet and JSP, it is the outdated technology for the industry now. But if you want to learn frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, these things are required. If you want to learn framework of Java, guys, then servlet and JSP is required. Yes. So that's what. Don't worry, Vishal. So instead of servlet, we will go for Springs and Spring Boot. We'll go for Springs and Spring Boot. Yes. So instead of servlet, guys, in industry, we will use either Springs or Spring Boot. So nowadays, Spring Boot is very famous. Yes. So we will use Spring Boot. So coming about again Spring Boot, it is a module of Spring, guys. It is just a module. So in case of Java, we have different modules, right? Similarly, here we have module as Spring Boot in case of Springs. That's what. So Spring and Spring Boot, guys, it is nothing but it is a module of framework. And now let's say then again in case of high framework, instead of JDBC, you will learn Hive. In case of JDBC framework, you will learn Hibernate. But Hibernate is not a replacement, guys. Hibernate is not a replacement of JDBC. So let's talk about your J2EE. We will see your framework later. Once will become punter, once it become perfect, then only once will become perfect in J2EE, then only you can proceed with your framework. So let's not talk about your framework now. So we need to do J2EE. So currently, guys, in J2EE, we are going to learn JDBC. We will learn JDBC in depth. We will learn, guys, JDBC in depth. Each and every concept I'm going to cover. Whatever the last interview, each and every concept from scratch till advanced, we are going to cover. Now, coming about your servlet and JSP, just we will see the basic concepts. We'll see the basic concept so that once you'll go for Spring and Hibernate, you should not face any problem. So that's what Servlet and JSP we are not going to learn in depth since it is the outdated technology for the industry. But I'll give you the basic idea. We'll see few things, whatever is required to learn. Yes, so that's what. But JDBC, guys, 100% in depth you have to learn. If you want to become Java developer, JDBC is very important. Same as your hooks principles. Yeah, if you want to perform some database operation, JDBC is required. Without JDBC, it is not at all possible to design any application, guys. Yeah, so that's what. As the class goes on progress, you will get to know what is the importance of JDBC and so on. So let us not talk about that much now. So that's what, guys, Java is broadly described, or let's say divided into two different perspectives. So first is J2SE and second is J2EE. So in J2EE, we are going to learn JDBC in depth, Servlet and JSP just will see the overview. The basic concept, whatever is required. So coming about J2EE, guys, stands for Java to Enterprise Edition, and coming about J2SE, it is nothing but Java to Standard Edition. So guys, already we had, just a second, already we had core Java. See, that is not my fault. I set them to check whether they have been added for the course or not. Morning, these Dabba fellows are texting, sir, I'm not getting the course. I can't help. In that case, I can't help. See, Friday itself, I said, if you are not getting the course, please let me know. Even in the Google Classroom, I asked multiple times. So one or two members, they said, yes, I'm getting. Now I can't drag the same thing multiple days, guys. I need to start the concept. Even I shared the meeting ID so that like few people, if they're not getting just directly, they can download the GoToWebinar and they can join. Come on, guys, you are engineers. You have to do some, in Hindi, we have something as Jugaad. You have to do and you have to learn the things. That is the reason in Google Classroom, even I shared the meeting ID, guys. But still, if your friends are not able to join, that is not my fault, guys. Friday itself, I said, if people are not able to, yes, that's correct. Yeah. Yes, guys. So now I can't help them out. Even I shared the meeting ID, guys. Guys, my voice is not clear. Yes, my voice is not clear, guys. You guys can hear me properly, right? Okay, fine, guys. Cool. So guys, already we had your J2SE, that is your core Java. Now, why we need advanced Java, guys? Yes, already we had J2SE, that is your core Java. Now, why we need advanced Java? We will discuss, no need to worry, guys. We'll discuss, but I want to know, oh yeah, Sandhya, good. Okay. Okay, good, okay. Okay, to advance our knowledge, okay. For the front and back end, okay, correct. Yeah, fine, guys. So coming about your J2SC, J2SC, that is your, coming about J2SC, guys, that is your core Java. With the help of core Java, guys, we can design only standalone application. With the help of guys, your core Java, we can design only standalone application. Yes, because only by core Java we cannot connect, we can't use database. Yes, so with the help of core Java, since we can't perform any database operation, so we are not able to design any web application, guys. So just we can design standalone application. Just we can design standalone application. Now, with the help of advanced Java, now we can connect our database, we can connect our like your front end, HTML, whatever. So, since we are able to connect everything, database as well as your front end, we are able to design your web application. We are able to design your web application. So don't worry, guys. I'll give all this Ramayana Mahabharata wala point. No need to worry. Just listen now carefully. I'll give each and every point. Don't take tension at all. Yeah. So coming about your J2SC, we are able to design only standalone application. We are able to design, guys, only standalone application. But coming about your J2EE, with the help of J2EE, we are able to design web application. We are able to design, guys, web application. Now, what is standalone application, guys? What is standalone application? Anyone? Very good. So coming about standalone application, it is nothing but it is a type of application which is, it is a type of application which is restricted to a particular system. So it is a type of application which is restricted to a particular system. Yes, it is a type of application, guys, which is restricted or which is limited. Yes, correct, Ashok. It is limited or restricted to a particular system. So, for example, you can take all your desktop application. You can take, guys, all your desktop application. Let's say your Windows. Next, let's say we have something as Windows is one of the example, even antivirus. Let's say your calculator. So these are nothing but, guys, these are the standalone applications. So with the help of J2SC, we are able to design only standalone application. But coming about J2EE, guys, here we can design web application. So now, what is web application in the sense? It is a type of application which is not restricted to a particular system. Yes, it is a type of application which is not restricted to a particular system. So guys, can you give me any example of web application? Yes, can you give me an example of web application? Very good, Amazon. Let's say your popular things, guys, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Yes, so these are not restricted to a particular system, right? You can use WhatsApp, Facebook in multiple systems, or basically you can say, guys, web application is nothing but it is a type of application which can, it is a type of application which is not having any restriction and it can be accessed remotely. It can be accessed, guys, remotely. That is, with the help of internet, we can access this type of application. So, guys, coming about standalone application, it is restricted to a particular system. Yes, so it cannot be accessed to other system. Let's say if you want to access Windows, even you have to install the Windows in another operating system. So we can say that particular window is restricted to particular system base. So that's what these are the examples we have. Coming about web application, it is not restricted to a particular, or it is not restricted to any system. It is not limited to any system, and it can be accessed remotely. For example, we have something as Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat also. Yes, and so many things. So guys, now I want you people to take these points so that we can proceed. Yeah, I want you people to take down these points so that we can proceed. Just rough, whatever we have discussed, guys, just take down points. So I'm not going to use PPT and all. So just I have one document. I'll just project it. You need to copy the things, guys. Yes. So whatever we have discussed till now, I'll just copy down points. Then we will proceed. Yeah, guys. So please copy down these points, whatever we have discussed. Document won't be shared. You need to copy. See, in other class, in Java class or in web class, they'll share the document, guys. But I won't share the document. You have to copy each and everything. If you have any doubt, you can ask. You can ping me in chat box. Yes, but according to me, if you will write the things once, at least if you write once, you will get the concept. Simply, if I'll share the document, few of you will not open at all. I know that. That is the reason I won't share any document in any class. So guys, copy down points. Okay, if you take a screenshot, whether you copy later. Yes. So guys, copy down. It is not like 100 pages of notes, just one point I'm giving. I'm not giving any Ramayana Mahabharata, just copy down, guys, meanwhile. I know few of you will take a screenshot, later you will delete it. So that is again waste. You will not copy down the notes. And the time you will go for interview, you will say, sir, you didn't give any points, sir. So that time you will be confused. So better guys, maintain one neat notebook for J2EE. The way you have maintained for SQL and Java. Yes, so please maintain one neat notebook. Whatever I'm going to explain, the copy down the things. Yeah, so guys, copy down fast. No screenshot and all. Yes. So guys, done, all of you are still copying. Okay, okay. If you are, I'll give 2 more minutes, just copy it on fast. See guys, assume you are writing exam, right? Assume you're writing exam and during exam, someone by mistake, they projected all the answers and you need to copy down fast. Assume this is an exam and you got all the answers. Just like that, if you think you can copy down the thing faster. Yeah, done everyone, I hope. Yes. Okay. Fine, guys. Let us proceed now. Okay. So now we know what is your J2EE and what is J2SE, what type of application we can design. So from J2EE, guys, we will start the first part, that is your JDBC. That is your JDBC. That is your JDBC. So as all of us know, JDBC stands for Java Database. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. Stands for Java Database Connectivity. Yes, stands for Java Database Connectivity. Am I not audible, guys? I am not audible to you people. You can hear me, right? Aishwarya, check your network connection. Yeah. So fine, guys. Let us proceed. So first part we have to learn, that is Java Database Connectivity. That is your JDBC. So guys, with the help of now, how we can define JDBC, guys? Yes, how we can define JDBC? Yes, we know the full form. We know the full form, but how we can define JDBC, guys? So coming about JDBC, it is nothing but it is a specification. Yeah, it is a specification given in the form of abstraction API. Given in the form of abstraction API, which given in the form of abstraction API to achieve loose coupling between Java application and database. Yes, so guys, basically coming about your JDBC, it is nothing but it is a specification given in the form of abstraction API, to achieve loose coupling between Java application and data. Yes, simply in one word, if you want to say, it is nothing but it is a API which helps user to connect Java application and database. But whenever you are going for interview, guys, always you have to, in case of JDBC, guys, you have to give the standard definition. Yeah, in case of your core Java and SQL, if you are not giving standard definition, that's okay. But at least few things in JDBC you have to give standard definition. Yes, so what is JDBC? It is nothing but it's a specification given in the form of abstraction API to achieve loose coupling between Java application and database. Now guys, most of you will be confused. Sir, what is API? Sir, we don't know, sir. So don't worry, we'll discuss each and everything. Yes, most of you say, sir, what is API? We don't know what is API, guys. Yeah. Now you will say, few of you will say, sir, I don't know what is loose coupling. So guys, don't worry. We'll discuss each and everything in the what is API, what are different forms of API we have, what API contains, how to develop an API, like not development part you will learn once you will go for Spring. Yes, but here at least you will get the basic idea what API contains, like what are different forms of API we have, and so many things. Yeah. So coming about to JDBC, guys, again I'll repeat, it is nothing but it is a specification. It is a specification given in the form of abstraction API to achieve loose coupling between Java application and database. So I hope all of you know what is abstraction. Yes, guys, you know what is abstraction, all of you? Yes, okay. So guys, coming about JDBC, abstraction is the backbone. So what is the backbone of abstraction? That is JDBC. Sorry. What is the backbone of JDBC? It is abstraction. Yes. So abstraction, it is nothing but it is a backbone of JDBC. So throughout complete JDBC, guys, I'm going to make use of term abstraction, load coupling, abstraction, load coupling. So coming about abstraction, guys, it is a backbone. Yeah, I know all of you know the definition, no doubt at all, guys. Yes. So abstraction is the backbone of JDBC. So that's what. Now let's say, guys, we will have one Java application. We will have, okay, just a second, let me. We will have one Java application and we will have one database. Okay, not this, not this. Yeah. So let's say, guys, we will have one Java application and we will have something as database. Yes, so if you want to connect your Java application and database, we need a medium, we need a connectivity. Yes, if you want to connect your Java application and database, we need a medium, we need a connectivity. So that connectivity is nothing but, you can say it is your, that connectivity is nothing but your JDBC. That connectivity, guys, it is nothing but your JDBC. So basically JDBC is a, you can say, connectivity, or it helps user to connect the Java application and database. But hold on, now how this JDBC will work, how it will be connected, how it is implemented, these things will be hidden. Yes, so how JDBC is going to connect your Java application and database, these things will be hidden from the user, or you can say how it is implemented or how it is connecting, that thing is hidden, guys. So that's what I said. So coming about your JDBC, it is going to connect your Java application and database. And coming about JDBC, it is nothing but it is a API. It is nothing but API. What is API, guys? We'll have a separate topic we'll discuss there. Yes, so I hope most of you, if you belongs to your IT background, you know application programming interface. So just have this basic knowledge. Once we'll start with API, you will get the clear picture, guys. Each and everything we are going to discuss here. So this JDBC is nothing but it is an API. And what is the backbone of API? What is the backbone? So the backbone for JDBC is nothing but backbone of JDBC is abstraction. Backbone of JDBC is nothing but, guys, abstraction. Spelling might be wrong, just you have to adjust, guys. Yes. Yeah, so backbone of JDBC is abstraction. Again, wrong. Yeah, backbone of API is abstraction. Now, what is the output? So coming about abstraction, guys, why we will achieve abstraction? What is the need of abstraction? What is the basic like uses of abstraction in real-time application? Even we will discuss with the help of example, guys. No need to worry. So just now remember, for time being, just remember what is JDBC. So it is nothing but it is an API. And for JDBC, backbone is abstraction. Backbone is abstraction. So guys, let me consider a small example so that you can remember the things. Yes, let me consider a small example, guys, so that you can remember the things. So let's say there are two members, guys. Okay, black, right? I'm going to consider here again your two members. Okay, let's say. Roughly, guys, roughly. I'm not good in drawings and all. Okay. Something at least I should be there, right? Yes. So guys, who are they? Yes, who are they, guys? That's what I said, guys. I'm not good in drawing, so you have to adjust. Just roughly, I'm going to do. Who are they, guys? Now you can say. Correct. Sundar Sundari. Okay. Okay. Dinga Dingy. Famous thing, guys, right? In J spiders, Dinga and Dingis are very famous. Couples, very good. Okay. So let's say Dinga and Dingy. Yeah, Dinga and Dingy only. Okay. Fine. Dinga and Dingy. So guys, for time being, I'm going to consider this Dinga as a Java application. Yes, this Dinga is nothing but Java application. And this Dingy is nothing but, let's say, database. Yes, this Dingy is nothing but database. Now, even this Dinga wants to connect with Dingy. Yes, correct, guys. If Dinga wants to connect with Dingy, something they need. Yes. So what they need, guys? Okay, ACN center. Yes. Okay. Interface. Yeah, no doubt they need interface. Yes, if Dinga wants to connect with Dingy, they need some medium, right? They need some interface. They need some API. Okay, mutual friends. Okay. Phone number. Okay. Yes, guys. If Dinka wants to connect with Dingy, what they need? They need some medium, right? Relationship. Correct to that. Correct. Aadhaar card number. Yes, Naveen, correct. So this Dinga and Dingy is connected to each other using our API. Yes, this Dinga and Dingy is connected to each other using one API. That API is nothing but love. Yes, so this in case of Dinga and Dingy, this love is nothing but API. This love is nothing but API, which is going to connect them. Yes, so in case of Dinga and Dingy, guys, this love is nothing but API. So here Dinga is going to act as Java application, Dingy will act as database. Now, that's what we discussed, guys. Now, since it is nothing but this love is nothing but here API, right? This love is nothing but API, or you can say it is your JDBC API. Okay, guys, fine. Let it be. This love is nothing but you can say, guys, JDBC API. Yes, this love is nothing but JDBC API. Now, what is the backbone of JDBC API, guys? What is the backbone? Abstraction. So between Dinga and Dingy, what abstraction will be there, guys? Okay, just roughly I'm telling. Yeah, this love is nothing but JDBC API. Now, what will be the abstraction here? Yeah, love is nothing but JDBC API. And for JDBC API, we can say abstraction is nothing but it is a back. Yeah, for this love as well, for this JDBC API, backbone will be nothing but abstract. Yes. Backbone is nothing but, guys, abstraction. No doubt at all. Now, in case of abstraction, guys, basically what we have to do? In case of abstraction, we have to hide the implementation. Yes, and we have to So only the functionality. Now this dingy is having so much ego. So this dingy is having ego problem. So what Dinga will do? What this Dinga will do? Dinga will never express his feelings. Yes, yes, they are connected in love, but in most of the case, Dinga will not express his feelings. Yeah, that's what. So Dinga will not express the feelings, but Dinga will take care of things. Yes. So in this case, what will happen, guys? Dinga is not going to. Dinga will not express. Dinga will not express his feelings to Dingy. Why Dinga will not express, guys? Because Dingy is having so much attitude. If Dinga will say each and everything, no, it is not going to play mind game. No. So one day Dingy will leave. So what Dinga will do? Dinga will never express his feelings. But still, Dinga will take care. Yes, Dinga will take care of Dingy. Dinga will take care of Dingy. So this, yeah. So here you can see, guys, this Dinga is not going to express his feeling. So that is nothing but Dinga is hiding the implementation. Dinga is hiding the implementation. Okay, so let me use this text itself. So Dinga is not going to express his feelings to Dingy. So Dinga is going to hide the implementation. Hide the implementation. But since he is having care, so like, yeah, since he is having feelings, so just he will care for Dingy. Yes, since he is having feelings, so he will care for Dingy. So just Dinga is going to provide functionality. Yes, Dinga will perform the operation, but he will never express. He will never express. So that is nothing but, you can say, functionality. This is nothing but your functionality. So that's what, guys. Between Dinga and Dingy, there is a API that is nothing but love. So here, this love is going to act as JDBC API, and the backbone of JDBC API is nothing but it is an abstraction. So now Dinga is not going to share everything to Dingy because this Dingy is having little ego problem. If Dinga will express everything, then Dingy might win. Later, Dishum will happen. Yes. So Dinga will not share each and every things, like he will not share the feelings, but he will just take care. So Dinga is not sharing the feeling, that is, he is going to hide the implementation. But he is going to take care, that is, Dinga will provide the functionality. Is it clear, guys? Small story, correct? Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now, guys, what is loose coupling? Yes, what is loose coupling? So next we have to learn here loose coupling. Loose coupling. So guys, basically loose coupling is nothing but change in the implementation, change in the implementation which will not affect the user, which will not affect the user. Yes, so loose coupling is nothing but change in the implementation which will not affect the user. So now guys, so basically we can achieve this loose coupling with the help of interface. We can achieve loose coupling, or let's say we will achieve loose coupling with the help of abstraction. Yeah, how we can achieve abstraction? Directly with the help of interface. Yes, so we can say, guys, the output of abstraction, output of abstraction is loose coupling. Output of abstraction, guys, is nothing but loose coupling. Yeah. So what is loose coupling? Changes the implementation which will not affect the user. And what is like how we can achieve loose coupling? So with the help of abstraction. So we can say the output of abstraction is loose coupling. Now let's say, guys, let's say in case of abstraction, we are not going to demonstrate the implementation, right? We are not going to demonstrate the implementation. Yes, we will not demonstrate the implementation. So here, guys, Dinga is not going to express its feeling. Yes, so Dingy is not having like you can say she's not having that much knowledge whether Dinga loves him or not. Yes, so this Dinga is not going to express his feeling. Just Dinga will take care. So might be Dingy will think there is a friendship. Yes, so might be Dingy will think there is a friendship. So now suppose if Dinga will get some other girl. Yes, if Dinga will get some other girl, easily Dinga can move on. Yes, easily Dinga can move on because Dingy, like he never shared the feeling to Dingy. So that's what this is. Moving on thing is nothing but you can say loose coupling. So guys, I hope you get to know what is JDBC API. So this complete small story kind of thing I explained just to understand what is JDBC. So JDBC is nothing but, guys, it is a specification given in the form of abstraction API to achieve loose coupling between Java application and database. Now, what is the backbone of API? So it is nothing but abstraction. Nothing but abstraction. Now, how we can achieve abstraction? So that part we'll discuss. As you have learned in case of your core Java, we can achieve abstraction with the help of interface. Now, what is the output of abstraction? It is loose coupling. It is nothing but loose coupling. So now what is loose coupling? Change in the implementation which will not affect the user. Okay, each and everything, even we'll discuss in upcoming class. I'll give the points wherever it is required. No need to worry. Now, guys, if you want to connect, yes, if you want to connect your Java application and database, we have to follow some steps. If you want to connect, guys, your Java application and database, we have to follow some steps. So basically, if you want to connect your Java application and database, we have to follow 7 different steps. We have to follow, guys, 7 different steps. So steps of JDBC. Steps of JDBC. If you want to connect your Java application database, guys, we have to follow 2 steps. So we have basically 7 different steps. So first step is nothing but importing the package. Importing the package. Next is nothing but you can say loading the driver class. Loading the driver class. Third is nothing but you can say, or let's say load and register the driver class. Load and register the driver class. Load and register the driver class. Once driver class is loaded, we need to establish the connection. So that's what establish the connection between Java application and database. Between Java application and database. Fourth one is create statement. Create statement or platform. Fourth one is create statement or platform. Fifth is execute SQL queries. Sixth is process resultant data. Process resultant data. Seventh is close all the costly resource. close all the costly resources. Let's say close all the costly resources. So guys, if you want to connect your Java application and database, and if you want to perform few operation, yes, you have to follow these many steps mandatory. Yes, if you want to connect your Java application and database, and if you want to perform the CRUD operation, that is create, read, delete, update, and so many things, then you have to follow these many steps. So basically, if you want to connect Java application and database, these are the steps we have to follow. So first is importing the package. Second is load and register the driver class. Then establish the connection between Java application and database. Next, we have to create statement.platform. After that, we have to execute SQL query. Then we have to process the resultant data. And at last, we have to close all the costly resources. At last, we have to close all the costly resources. So these are the 7 steps we have to follow if you want to connect your Java application and database. So guys, can you give me a real-time example where you are going to follow these steps? Yeah, can you relate this with real-time example? Yes. Can you give me real-time example where you can follow these things? Don't worry, Aishwarya. Each and everything we are going to discuss. What is costly resource? Just I'm giving a brief idea. ATM, okay. Gmail, okay. Form, okay. So guys, each and everything we'll discuss. No need to worry. Just I'm giving an overview of JDBC. Yeah. Many more things we have to discuss. Okay, fine, guys. So let's say if you want to connect with your friend, if you want to talk with your friend, what you need, let's forget like your, yeah, let's forget your ATM, your application. Forget these things. We will talk generally. If you want to call with, if you want to get connected with your friend, what you need? Yes, if you want to talk with your friend, what you need, guys? Phone. Okay, phone number directly. Yes. So if you want to talk with your friend, first we need what, guys? First we need a phone. First we need a phone. So I can say phone is nothing but it is my package. This phone is nothing but it is my package. Yeah. So if you want to talk with your friend, you need some device or something you need. So here phone, I can say it is nothing but package, importing the package. So once you will get the package, once you will get the phone, what next you want? Okay, you need phone number, done. Okay, fine. Okay, so guys, once you will get the phone, what you need? Okay, so let's say, okay, fine. So first, importing the package is nothing but phone. Once you will have your phone, directly you can dial the number. No, we need SIM, very good. So we need what? SIM, guys. So you will go to market, you will purchase new SIM. Yes, you will go to market and will purchase new SIM. So your SIM is nothing but, yeah. So what you will do, you will go to market, you will purchase new SIM, you will buy a SIM, and then you will insert into your phone. So SIM is nothing but loading as, or I can say inserting, yeah, inserting SIM. Inserting SIM is nothing but load and register the driver class. Inserting the SIM is nothing but load and register the driver class. Now guys, once you will insert the SIM, next what will happen? Once you will insert the SIM, next what will happen? Okay, we need to wait until it is activated. So once you are going to insert the SIM, basically it will be connected with respective tower. Yes, let's say if you are using Geo, it will be the geo sim will be trying to register with the particular internet. Yes. So basically, the time you will insert the sim, what will happen, guys? That it will register. Sim is going to register itself. Yeah, or let's say it will be connected. It will be connected with tower, the respective tower. Yes. So if you want to talk with your friend, first you need phone. So you purchase phone. After that, you went to market. You visited market. You purchased a SIM. You inserted the SIM in your phone. After once you have inserted the SIM will be get connected with respective tower. Yes, it will search whether like in your area Geo is there or not, whether Airtel is there or not. So SIM is going to register itself to respective tower. So once it is registered, what we will get, guys? We are going to get network. We will get. Once we will get the network, next what we will do? Yeah. Once you will get the network, what we will do, guys? Yes. Once we'll get the network, what we will do? Now you will think. Now you will think what I should. Yes. So once you get the network, recharge. Okay. The time you will buy the SIM, guys, you will get the recharge, right? Yes, nowadays without recharge, you will not get SIM at all. So forget that thing. Yes, so once you will get the, once you will get the, yes. So once you will get the SIM and once the SIM is connected with database, you will dial the number. You will dial the number. Dialing a number is nothing but creating statement of platform. So the time you will dial the number, you will see some to sound, or you will get some, yes, you will get some caller tune. Yes, so that is nothing but create statement or platform. So once your SIM is connected with respective database, or let's say tower, not database here, respective tower, next you will dial the number. So dialing the number is nothing but creating statement or platform. Now, once you will dial the number, next what you will do? Yes, once you will dial the number, after what you will do? Okay, you will call, obviously. Yeah. So basically, the time you will dial the number, you will think what I should talk. Yes. Okay, whether the number is correct or not. That's good. Yeah. So the time you will dial the number, you will think what I should talk. Yes, what I should talk. You will think like, shall I discuss these things with your friend or not? Like, it will be good or not to talk with him or talk with her? So you will think, you will analyze the things. You will think by yourself whether I should talk these things or not. So basically, you will analyze whether I should talk or not. So you will analyze your talk. You will analyze your talk while dialing the number. Dialing the number, whether I should talk with my friend regarding this or not. You are going to, whatever you will talk, first you will analyze. So that is nothing but execute SQL query. Yes. Then once you will dial the number, during that time itself, you'll think whether these topic I should discuss with my friends or not. Shall I discuss with my friend or not? So you will analyze the thing and then you will talk. So analyzing your talk, or yeah, analyzing your topic basically, topic while dialing the number, while dialing the number, dialing the number is nothing but you are executing SQL query. Next, once you will analyze the things, next what you will do? Yes, now you analyze. Yes, I'm going to talk. No doubt at all. He is my close friend. I should talk this. I should discuss with him or discuss with her. So after that, what you will do, guys? Yes, after that, what you will do? Once you will analyze, yes, this is important. This is like I can share the things with my friend. You have analyzed. Yes. So next your conversation starts, right? Next you will talk for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 5 hour, or whatever. 1 minute also it can be. So once you will analyze, till that your call will be connected. So since you have analyzed already, so you will talk with your friend. You will talk with your friend. So you will talk with your friend and you will get some conclusion, yes, whether this is right or wrong. Yes, so you will talk with your friend and you will get some conclusion. Talk and conclusion is nothing but your processing the resultant data. Talk and conclusion is nothing but, guys, processing your resultant data. Now once your talk is done, what you will do? Once your talk is done, what you will do? You will throw the phone in water. Yes, you will end the call. You will cut the call. Yes. So can I say, guys, your call or your recharge is nothing but costly resource. Yes, your call or like if you want to talk with your friend, obviously you need recharge. So that is nothing but recharge is nothing but costly resource. Yes. So you will talk with your friend, you will get some conclusion, you will discuss the things. Once you will get the conclusion, you will say bye bye macha, will end the call. Correct. After getting the conclusion, you will talk, you will get some conclusion. After that, you are going to cut the call. Yes, you will end the call. So your call is nothing but it is a costly resource. Guys, what is costly resource with respect to J2EE or with respect to programs? We'll see. No need to worry. Once we start the concept, we'll discuss each and everything. No need to worry, guys. That's what, if you want to, yes, if you want to connect your Java application and database, if you want to perform few operations, then okay, JDBC, yeah. Yes, if you want to connect with data application, if you want to connect your Java application with database, and if you want to perform any operation, if you want to perform CURD operation, that is create, read, update, delete, then you have to follow these many steps. So first you have to import the package. Next you have to load and register the driver class. Next you have to establish the connection between Java application and database. Next you will create statement of platform. Later you will execute the SQL query. Then you will process the resultant data, and at last you will close the costly resource. At last you will close the costly resource. So similarly, if you are going to relate with your real time, like real world or something, you can take importing the package nothing but you should have a phone. Next you will have to load and register a driver class. And so what you will do, you will go to market, you will buy a sim, so you can relate with it. Next, once you insert the sim will be registered with respective tower, and we will get the network. That is nothing but establishing the connection between Java application and database. So here Java application will be your phone and database will be your respective tower, right? Next, you will analyze. Yes. Next, you will dial the number. Sorry, you will dial the number. That is nothing but you will create a bridge between you and your friend. Yes, you will create a bridge between you and your friend. There's nothing but dialing the number. Now, during dialing the number, you will think what I should talk, whether I should discuss these things with my friend or not, whether it is correct or not. So you will analyze your talk. That is nothing but execute SQL query. Now you will talk for 1 hour, 2 hour, might be 1 minute. So at last you will get some conclusion. That is nothing but you will process the resultant data. At last, you need to cut the call because your call is nothing but costly resource. Now, since we have Geo, so we have free calling. But if you'll remember 10 years back, for one call, we need to pay 5 rupees or 3 rupees. So that is your call recharge, nothing but costly resource. So once you will complete your call, you need to cut the call. So ending the call is nothing but closing all the costly resource. So whenever you want to connect Java and database, and if you want to perform any operation, you have to follow these many steps. You have to follow, guys, these many steps. Clear? I hope you got the basic idea what is JDBC and how we will perform the operation. Still, we have not discussed the steps. Just I gave the overview. How we can import the package, how we can load and register driver class, how we can establish the connection, guys. Each and everything we have to discuss one by one. But before going for the actual concept JDBC, first we have to learn what is API, what API contains. Yes, these are the basic concepts we have to learn. So clear guys, at least you got an overview what is JDBC and what are the steps we can have. At least rough idea guys, all of you. Yes, at least rough idea, not exactly, but at least rough idea. Once we'll go for practical session, guys, you will get the clear picture. Yes, you will get the clear picture, but now you got rough idea at least. All of you, are you feeling bored or what, guys? Yes. Are you feeling bored of this class? Okay, okay. Seriously, guys, JDBC is very interesting thing. You have to learn. The time you will learn JDBC, you will start loving Java. Trust me. You'll start loving Java after knowing JDBC. And without JDBC, you can't go for like, we'll see how many hours we should do. We'll see, guys. Okay, so guys, all of you take down subheading as JDBC and just copy down the definition. Yes, just take down subheading as JDBC, copy down the definition, the small diagram, and then steps. Don't copy this dinga and dingy. Okay, so just copy down what is the definition of JDBC, the small diagram, and then I'll just write it. I'll drag it right. You can take the steps. Just copy down these things fast. Okay, so guys, after that, just take down subheading as steps of JDBC and copy down these points. Just copy down all the steps. Don't copy anything else. So just you took what like definition of JDBC, small diagram. Now just copy down the steps of JDBC. Don't copy anything else. Just copy steps. That's it. What is loose coupling and all we'll discuss, guys, in next class. Yeah, once we need, we'll discuss it. Yes, so just take on the steps one by one. Once you are done, guys, ping me in chat box. Please do it fast. Please make it fast. Okay, I hope all of you have completed, right? Yeah, good, guys. Okay, good. So let us proceed now. Yeah. Yes. So, guys, now let's say one, you're working in an IT company. Let's say, guys, you're working in an IT company and one client will come to you. Let's say, guys, one, you're working in an IT company and one client will come to you and they'll ask, I want this project. Let's say one client will come to you. Yes, one client will come to you. Rough diagram, guys. No need to worry. Yes, one client will come to you and you're working in IT company. Yeah, you're working in IT company. So one client will come to you and they'll ask, I need this project X. I need this project X. So now, next, what you will ask from the client in the sense, you will ask, yes, sir, definitely we'll do the project for you, but what is your requirement, right? So once the client will come to you and he'll say, I want a project X. So next you will ask, yes, sir, definitely we can do project for you, but what is your requirement? Can you please let me know? So then client will say, these are my requirements. He'll give you some requirement. Yes, he'll give you some requirement. So you will get the requirement, and you will start developing the project. Yes, you will collect the requirement from the client and you will start developing the project. Now, guys, for the project, we need some extra things. Yes. Now, in case of Java, guys, you have learned something as libraries, correct? You have learned something as libraries. So whenever you will design, whenever you are going to design any project, you need some built-in function, built-in class, built-in interface, and so many things. So basically, in short, I can say we need a library. We need a libraries. So you will collect the requirement from the client. Yes, you will collect the requirement, like what project client wants, you will collect the requirement. But if you want to complete the project, you need some libraries, or in industry, we will say it as a dependency. We will say it as a dependency. Yes, to complete the project, we need some libraries, we need some dependency, or we can say it as a jar file. We can say it as a jar file. So you will collect the requirement to complete this project. You need these many libraries, dependency, or jar file. So guys, from where you will get these libraries? Yes, from where you will get these libraries, or whether you will ask these libraries from client itself, or you will get the library from somewhere else. Yes, so to complete this project, we need the major thing, that is dependency, jar file, or libraries. So from where you will get the libraries? Yes, any guess, guys, from where you will get the libraries? Yes, any rough idea, guys, from where you are going to get the libraries? If you don't know, you can say no, we don't know, sir. Company server, okay. Or whether you will ask client itself to get the library. Whether you will ask client itself to get the libraries. Sir, I'll do your project, but I want libraries. Can you give me the library? Yes. So guys, whether you will ask the client to get you the libraries, to get the dependency, or to get the jar file, you will not ask client at all, guys. You will not ask client at all. Yes. So for the particular project, you need some dependency, you need some jar file. You need some jar file or many more things or libraries. So you can't ask from client, sir, get me this libraries and so many things. You can't ask at all. So what you have to do, you have to get the libraries by yourself. You have to get the libraries by yourself, or you have to either you have to get or you have to develop the dependency by yourself. Either you have to get the library or you have to develop the library, or let's say whatever, but you can't ask from the client. So guys, even in case of JDBC, we need some libraries, or let's say we need some jar file. In case of JDBC, we'll say jar file. Yes, in case of JDBC, guys, we'll say jar file. So from where we will get the jar file, guys? Yes, from where we'll get, we have to purchase, okay? We have to purchase, okay? Yes, guys, from where we'll get the libraries? Cloud server, okay? Okay, guys. So basically, let's say if you want to connect, with Oracle, let's say you have Java application and you want to connect with Oracle. Yes, you have Java application and you have to connect with Oracle. So Oracle company will give you jar file. So Oracle company will give you jar file. If you want to connect with MySQL, MySQL company or MySQL vendor, yes, they will give you jar file. So basically, this jar file will be given by respective database server or vendor. This jar file will be given by respective database server or vendor. Yes. So guys, next we have to discuss what is jar file. Next we have to discuss, guys, what is jar file. So mandatory, guys, for each and every project, since we are not going to develop any standalone application, so come from J2EE onwards, you need some additional libraries. You need some additional libraries. Now this libraries will be present in the form of jar file. Who will provide this library? So this library will be provided by respective database server or vendor. Provided by respective database server or vendor. So guys, all of you take down subheading as jar file. Yes, all of you guys take down subheading as jar file. We'll discuss what is jar file and basically what jar file contains, what is the use of jar file, and so many things. So all of you take down subheading as jar file. Jar file. So guys, any guess what is the full form of jar? Jar. What is the full form of jar, guys? Jar. Any guess, guys? Any rough idea? Very good. So jar stands for Java Archive. Jar stands for Java Archive. Stands for Java Archive. So guys, okay, just a second. So whenever you are going to, yes. So first what you will do, guys, in Eclipse, you will create a project. Yes, in Eclipse, you will create the project. So let's say I'll create one small project here. Let us say, guys, I'll create a small project. So let's say I'm going to give a project name as, so I'll select Java project and click on next. Let's say I'll give a Java project name as JDBC, first JDBC project. First JDBC project. I'll click on finish. Okay, here if you are getting option, you have to say no. Here you have to say no. These things we'll discuss, guys. No need to worry, one by one. Now, the time you will create a project, guys. So yes, so the time you will create a project, you will get basically two folders here. Yes, basically you will get here two folders, that is SRC folder. Next we will have JRE system library. JRE system library. So again, if you click on this arrow mark, again guys, if you click on this arrow mark, you can see you will get some jar file. If you click on this arrow mark, guys, in your Eclipse, you will get some jar file. You can say resource.jar, rt.jar, jsse.jar, next jce.jar, and so many things. So basically, jar file is nothing but, guys, jar. So jar file stands for Java Archive. Jar file stands for Java Archive. Now, what this jar file contains? So basically, the jar file contains predefined, or you can say built-in class, built-in method, built-in interface, and so on. This jar file contains, guys, built-in class, built-in method, and so on. Now, again, if you click on this arrow mark, you will get the package. You can see the multiple packages. Let us click on this arrow mark. You can see, guys, again, this is nothing but multiple packages you will get. Yes, so inside jar file, guys, we will have some set of packages. Inside the package, again, we will have some class, or we'll have some properties. You can see, we'll have some properties. Yes, so basically, guys, jar file stands for Java Archive. It contains all the built-in class. It contains all the built-in interface, method, or whatever is required. So guys, can you tell me this jar file is present in which format? Yes, this jar file is present in which format? Yes. So coming about this jar file, okay, that is your extension. Dot jar is nothing but extension. So this jar file will be present in a file format, that is zip. This jar file will be present in zip file format. This jar file, guys, it will be present in zip file format. Now, what is zip file format in the sense? In case of zip file format, we know many files will be compressed in a single file. Yes, in case of zip file format, guys, multiple files will be compressed in single file. Yes, multiple files will be compressed in the single file. So guys, coming about jar file. What is jar file? Jar file stands for Java archive. Now, what this jar file contains? So it contains all the built-in class, built-in method, built-in interface, built-in function, etc. Now, this jar file will be present in the form of zip file format. So, what is the full form of zip, guys? Yes, what is the full form of zip file format? Okay, let's not talk about that. We have to discuss what is zip file format. So basically, zip is a type of file where multiple files will be compressed into single file. So zip is a type of file format where multiple files will be compressed into a single file. So now I hope you get to know what is jar file. Now what jar file contains and jar file will be present in which format. Jar file will be present in which format. Now, what this jar file contains? So we discussed jar file contains nothing but this jar file contains basically libraries. This jar file contains basically libraries. Now, this libraries will be in which format, guys? Yes, we discussed just now this jar file contains nothing. It contains libraries. It contains nothing but it contains just libraries. Now, this jar file, these libraries will be present in which format? Any guess, guys? These libraries will be present in which format? Yes. So again, we'll open the Eclipse, guys, and let's see this jar file is present in which format? Inside the jar file, the files will be present in which format? Inside the jar file, these files are present in which format? You can see dot properties. Yes. So inside jar file, yes, inside jar file, the things will be present in the form of either dot properties, dot XML, or dot class. Yes, inside inside jar file, all these built-in class, built-in interface, built-in functionalities, like whatever is there, it will be present either in, you can say dot properties, dot class, or dot XML. So that's what, guys. Now let us discuss. So the full form of jar file is Java archive. Now it is present in zip file format. What is zip file format? It is nothing but many files stored into a single file or many files compressed into single file. Now what this jar file contains? So basically jar file contains .java. So .java, we know it contains source code. Next it contains .class. So .class is nothing but it is your bytecode. It is nothing but is your bytecode. Next it contains .configuration file. Yes, it contains .configuration file. Now, inside the .configuration file, we can have .xml file and .property. Yes, we can configure the things, we can configure the file using two different files, that is .xml, .property. So inside each and every jar file, we need these many things. We need, guys, these many things. So we will have .java, we'll have .class, we'll have .config files, and we will have .xml. And basically this .xml and .properties will be present in the config files. Yeah, present in the config file. So guys, what is config file? What is .properties? No need to worry. Once the class will, Yeah, once the class will be in progress, you will learn each and everything. Don't take tension, guys. I'm going to take care of each and everything. Yes, so all of you take down subheading as jar file and please copy down these ones. What is .xml? What is .properties? We'll see the implementation, guys. No need to worry. All of you take down subheading as jar file and just copy down this complete point, all the point one by one. Because in interview they can ask what is dependency, what jar file contains. So you have to explain them neatly. Yeah, just copy down. Yashaswini, I don't know regarding your batch, but for multiple batch I'm doing. Might be your batch will be handled by either by me or by Gautam sir. Prince and Hibernate. Let's see who will handle your batch. Yeah. Done, guys, all of you? Okay. So now, guys, what is the need of you will not get the recorded session? Mamta Sri, you will not get. You have to attend all the classes regularly. That's it. Yeah. So guys, now why we need jar file? Can anyone tell me? Yes, what is the need of jar file? Why we need these jar file? Yes. Any guess, guys? Why we need jar file? What is the requirement? What is the need of jar file? To develop the project. Okay. So basically, guys, we need jar file too. Now let's say if you need books, where you will go? If you want to study, yeah, very good. Built-in properties to get the built-in properties. Very good. If you want to study, guys, where you will go? You'll go to library, right? Now, in library, what you will get? Yeah, in library you will get books, right? In libraries will get books. Now, will you read all the books at a time? Yes, will you read all the books at a time? No, right? So similarly, guys, this jar file contains all the built-in class, built-in interface, and so on. So you can say this jar file is nothing but it is similar to your library. Let's say your college library, whatever. This jar file is nothing but library. So based on requirement, now let's say if you want to study one subject, you will go to library, you will pick one book. Here also, guys, we will do the same. If you want one particular functionality, we will import it. But here we will not pick, we will import it. So that's what this jar file contains all the built-in. It contains all the built-in interface, built-in class, built-in method, and so many things. So based on requirement, we have to import and we have to use it. Based on requirement, we have to import these files and we have to use it. So basically, this jar file is used for simplification of web application. Yes, if we are not having jar file, guys, then we need to write each and every code. Yes, let's say if you want built-in class, we will, if we don't have jar file, Arvind, yes, we can create our own jar file as well. No need to worry. We'll discuss in tomorrow's class how we can create our own jar file. Don't worry. So basically, this jar file is nothing but your college library. So similarly, whenever you start coding, if you need a particular concept, if you need a particular, let's say, a particular built-in function or class, so just you will import and you will use it. So basically, this jar file is needed for simplification of web application. And basically, this jar file contains more than 50,000 libraries. Each and every guys depends, but normally jar file contains more than 50,000 libraries, or let's say 50,000 built-in class, function, and so many things. So basically, jar file is needed for simplification of web application. So guys, all of you take down small point need for jar file. Yes, all of you take down small point, guys, need for jar file, and just copy down to a statement. That's it. Just copy down to a statement. That's it. Yeah. So guys, take down need for jar file and please copy down these points. Please make it fast, guys. Only 2 lines. So guys, done. Yes. Okay. So guys, all of you are getting the concepts. Are you able to follow me? Any doubt up to here, guys? Just we have discussed only the basic concepts. Any doubt up to here? Whatever we have discussed, what is JDBC, what is jar file? Now, what are the steps we have not discussed? Just I gave overview. So any doubt, guys, up to here? I want response from everyone, guys, not 1 or 2 members. See here, nearly 250 or 270 members are there, and only 2 to 3 members will be. Yeah, they will just. The font remaining, I don't know what they'll do. Okay, cool. So guys, take down small subheading. Don't worry, today we'll stop here itself. We will not proceed. Okay, it's already 10 o'clock. Yeah, so today we'll stop here itself. So just take down subheading. We'll continue in tomorrow's class. Steps to create. Steps to create. Steps to create jar file. So guys, tomorrow we will learn how we can create jar file and how we can add jar file, and we'll go with programs. Yes, we'll see the things practically. So we'll stop here guys today. So just take on subheading as steps to create jar file. We'll discuss in tomorrow's class. So guys, as I said, you need to download 3 different things. Yeah. So SQL Yoke 5.0, SQL Yoke 5.0, MySQL database 5.0, this as well, or 5.5, anything is fine. Yes, 5.5, you can download 8.0 also, but better guys, go with 5.0 or 5.5. Yes, download these 2 guys, because might be in your system, or you might be it will not support 5.0. For others, might be it will not support 5.5. Yes, so download both. Okay, I'll do one thing guys, in Google Classroom itself, I'll upload it. Is it okay? I'll upload the software from there, you can download. Yes, I'll upload all the software from there itself, you download, no need to Google it and all. Yes, and next we need guys, we need jar file, MySQL jar file, because here we are going to deal with, here we'll make use of MySQL database. So what we need MySQL jar file. Yes, so these 3 things we need. And guys, as I said in last class itself, you should have J2EE. Ashok, ask your friends. They'll share you the link. Yeah. Next, in Eclipse, you should get J2EE perspective. In Eclipse, guys, you should get J2EE perspective. If you are not getting, then please download Eclipse Neon 3. Eclipse Neon 3 for JEE developers. For JEE developers. If possible, I'll try to share this Eclipse link in that Google Classroom itself. Oxygen 3, you need to check. Yes, so that's what I said, guys. You should get like this. Just a second. So that download and keep the software, guys. We'll see the installation whenever it is required, so that everything should go smoothly. See, so right hand side you can see you will get option open perspective. Just click on that open perspective, and if you are getting JavaEE, then you can use same Eclipse. If you are getting here JavaEE, Java Enterprise Edition, you can use same Eclipse. If you are not getting, please change your Eclipse and download Java Neon 3. If possible, guys, I'll try to share all the links in that Google Classroom. Fine, guys. So that's all for today. We'll continue in tomorrow's class. So from tomorrow, sharply will start by 8:05, 8:10 max to max. So please join the session by 8 o'clock or by 8:05, guys. Don't be late. And second thing, don't bunk a single class. Yes, if you are going to bunk the class, guys, you will be in loss. Because in case of J2EE, in case of JDBC, all the concepts are related to each other. Let's say if you'll miss today's class, tomorrow you will not get. Yes, so don't miss a single class. Please be regular, will complete the things. Soon you will get the depth knowledge. That is my promise. The way we have learned SQL, in same flow, in same way, we will learn JDBC in depth. Fine, guys. So that's all for today. You can leave the meeting. Thank you, everyone. We'll continue in tomorrow's class.